Hi, and welcome back to Tom's Garage. Hey, it's been a while for an episode. This will be the first episode for the year. Weather's been kind of cold lately, so I'm finally getting the Mono out. I've got the Mono loaded with cameras, and we're going to do a little drive in it today. I've had this Mono probably for 8 years. This was number 25 in the production line. I've got about 10,000 miles on this car, and a lot of it is street miles. It's a Briggs Automotive Company, BAC Mono. Weighs about 1,200, 1,400 pounds, depending upon what article you read. And it's got 286 horsepower, and has a sequential gearbox. You'll be watching that on some of my videos. It's a great car. I mean, you're going, Tom, hey, do you feel like a F1 driver? Yes, I do. This is as close as you can get to driving an F1 car. The seat's all molded to my body. The pedals are adjusted to me. It's virtually a custom-built car just for Tom. So we're going to take this out for a drive. And on this beautiful desert afternoon in the Sonoran Desert in Tonto National Park, with wildflowers everywhere. It's a beautiful scenery. So we have a little episode to record for you. So let's get started. I'll put my helmet back on and we'll be ready to go. Hey. Okay. Let's start it up. Mono, one of a kind. You believe that? In a neutral. Set my halon fire system. Get my lights on here. Okay. Ready to roll. Let's roll off the dirt. Acceleration at straight cut gears, and that sequential gearbox just bam, bam, right up through the gears, blowing fire out the back. It's a nice little section of road through here. Hopefully we don't meet any traffic ahead. Quite a bit of wind noise. Yeah, this car is just unbelievable. It's the most fun car out of my car collection, driving this car. It's a real experience just getting ready to go. Like all the preparation it takes to get this car on the road. It's so nimble. I mean, this thing's so light, it goes wherever you point it. And there's no weight at all on this. Just like it's on rails. No tires screeching, nothing. just like rails. Uh-oh, there's a truck ahead. There's a place I can pass down here. I have to follow him for a little bit though. Watch for debris on the road. Tires don't like to roll across sand, it's just like ball bearings. Quite a bit of traffic here. All the bikes are out riding. You never see them just one at a time, they're always in groups. That's it. We're leaving Tonto National Forest here. I think this is the end of the road.